Ito ang mensahe ng past person mo, Aries. My life is not as together as it seems. Finding out the truth crushed me. I don't react when people mention you. I regret lying to you. You speak to me through music. I know I was a distraction from your pain. Ramyati ko ng mensahe for you. I choose to be a super attractor and have unwavering faith in the universe. Ang mensahe for you na kung ano yung mga bagay na dumarating sa'yo, yun yung ina-attract mo. Kaya dapat, kung gusto mong maging masaya, may mga